Welcome back to Arduino series for beginners. And in this video, we will talk about the second question on LED. What will happen if we connect more than one LED to the same pin on the Arduino? Now, to get details about the question, on the right side, you see recent posts. Just click on the link here. What will happen if you connect this? Click on this, and you have the question which I'm talking about and the explanation in details. So the setup you see here, I'm using from my last video. The only change is that I'm using three LEDs today, three green 5 mm LEDs with which is connected to pin 13 and one resistor. So